Hello friends, my name is Rekha. Welcome to my tasty curry recipes.
Today let's make this Greek yogurt sauce, tzatziki.
Let's see how to make this delicious dish in few easy steps.
For this, first I grate cucumbers using large holes of the box grater. I have washed the cucumbers but I have not peeled it. This gives nice texture, lovely green specks in the sauce. Next I squeeze out extra water. Make sure to drain out the water properly, otherwise tzatziki become liquidy and water down and you don't like the taste. Now I have added Greek yogurt. You can use regular yogurt as well, but make sure to drain out all the extra water using a cheesecloth or a mesh strainer. Chop dill leaves and add them. Now add chopped mint leaves, salt, extra virgin olive oil and mix everything nicely. To this you can add minced garlic if you wish to, but I have skipped that. Now this Greek yogurt sauce is ready. You can serve it immediately or chill for some time in the fridge before serving. Add some more extra virgin olive oil. Tastes amazing with the pita chips or drizzle over the salad bowl or as a sandwich spread. Do give this recipe a try. I'm sure you will enjoy it. For more such recipes, do visit mytastycurry.com.